Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers. I am your teacher Zathir Fatma, and the book which we are doing, Maths of Nursery.
Students, today we will learn about tall and short. आज हम पढ़ेंगे लंबे और छोटी चीज़ों के बारे में. So let's which is one is tall and which one is short. Are you ready students? क्या आप तैयार हैं? So let's go. नंबर 8 पर टॉल एंड शॉर्ट रिवीजन में फर्स्ट पिक्चर को देखिए. आपको दिखाई दे रहा है कि 2 स्टेयर्स दी गई हैं, वुड स्टेयर्स. वी हैव 2 स्टेयर्स, one is tall and one is short. Say it with me. This one is short and this one is tall. Good job. Now look at this 2 bars. सेकेंड पिक्चर में देखिए, आपको दिखाई दे रहा है कि 2 bars दिखाई दे रही हैं. Now look at these 2 bars. The small one is short and the big one is tall. Say again, short and tall. अपनी थर्ड पिक्चर में देखिए प्यारे स्टूडेंट्स. Now look at this 2 candle. The long candle is tall and the small candle is short. Very nice. You are learning so well. अब चलते हैं हम अपनी फोर्थ पिक्चर की तरफ, जिसमें एक मैन और एक बॉय दिखाई दे रहा है. Now look at this picture. We see a man and a boy. The man is tall and the boy is short. Say it. अब आप अपनी फिफ्थ पिक्चर में देखिए, आपको 2 trees नजर आ रही हैं. Wow, look at these trees. One tree is very big. That is tall. And other one is short. Short. We say tall tree and short tree. Picture number 6 में देखिए. Now look at these 2 building. यहाँ पर हमें 2 buildings दिखाई दे रही हैं. The big tall building is tall and the small building is short. Say it loudly. Tall building and short building. Wonderful. You all learn to tell the difference between tall and short. Dear